Hey, coming at you again. I feel like Billy Mays. Along with my order just recently from FastCap, I got these zero clearance tapes that go on the bed of your miter saw. Okay, and what it does is it creates a zero clearance insert. And what that is, most miter saws would have a huge gap in here, probably 3 times the size of this gap. Okay, what's happening here is you see here, the blade is what's creating that kerf, that saw kerf, right? And where that's good is it supports the backside of your cut. Naturally, what's going to happen is if this kerf was wider, you have this big gap there, and the backside of your cut would get a lot of tear out. Maybe that might matter, maybe it might not, but it will matter if you're doing finish work, trim work, or finish anything type of work where you don't want tear out back here. Tear out's nasty, ugly, and you can't get rid of it. Let me show you what it looks like. See that there? Right up there? That's tear out. That's on the underside of the cut. That's plywood. Yeah, plywood. And that's what happens on the underside of your cut when it's not supported. There's a boo-boo. This product is super easy to put on. It's a stick-on. This is some type of a hard vinyl. What exactly it is, I don't know. But it's a stick-on product. 2 seconds to put this thing on, right? It's 2 inches by 16 inches long, so it'll fit most saws. I tucked mine back under just so that it doesn't get all chewed up when you when you start doing angles, okay? 45s, whatever, when you start moving your saw this way, okay? Just tuck it under the back if you can. All right. Hey, I hope this helps you. FastCap, you know, if you guys are doing woodworking and you're not checking FastCap out, FastCap is a great company that makes innovative products for woodworkers and other industries too, not just woodworkers. They have a lot of different cool things, and they're very innovative in the fact that they get the tradespeople involved in products. Tradespeople bring these products to them. Tradesperson brought these track rack products to them, and they innovated them. They made them better. So that's what they do. They make awesome things that will help pretty much any tradesperson do their job better, easier, and other great products that help. I can't think of the word. They'll just help, even the consumer end of it. It's a great company. Check them out if you haven't already. I can't say enough good things about them. I like to say good things about companies, and they're made in the U.S. Everything they make is made in the USA. And like I said, when I find something that I like to tell other people about it because it helps keep this company around, which helps make my life easier. Hey, I hope this helped you. Be safe, be well. Take care. See you.